This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Yes, yesterday we have seen embedded EWM, how we manage with the architecture and etc. Today we start with master data. First we check with the vendors and customers, then we first decentralize, then we jump into S4HANA embedded. And bullet point is there, okay, SIP concept is not there in the S4HANA embedded. First I will show the image. See here, vendors and customer masters, those are okay, treating as business partners in EWM. Vendor means the person or an organization from whom we are purchasing the products and etc. That is nothing but vendor. Okay, if we book any this one what accessories in the whatever it may be, website or something, the party is vendor for us. Okay, customer means from the person side we are the customers party. Okay, say here vendors and customers. Okay, here also we use the SIF application. Okay, we create vendors and customer masters in the ERP system. We move into the EWM, but here both are okay storing as business partners, but okay those are differentiate with ID types. CRM 004 for vendor master, CRM 002 for the customer master. Okay, say normally I'm giving some idea in ERP. Vendor creates at 3 levels, vendor manager at 3 levels, not in-depth required, 3 levels. The first one is the general data. General data means what is the vendor description, what is the vendor code, postal address, okay, any mail ID, mobile number, these kind of things we can see it general data. Actually, this maintained at client level, 900 is the rate at that client level. Next one is company code level. Company code level, here accounting relevant information like what is the bank account name, okay, what are the payment terms we need to manage, etc. kind of things. The next one is purchase org level, purchase organization level. Means say at purchase organization level, say one vendor is there. Okay, our office is having different purchase organizations. One is in India, another one is in some other country like UK or something. Okay, for India he charge Indian rupees INR currency. For UK he charge maybe GBP, Great Britain pounds or something kind of thing. Okay, that maintained at purchase organization level. Okay, these 3 levels. Individual transactions are there for that, but we use one common transaction called XK01. XK01. Next, customer master. This is also at the 3 levels. The first one is general data, like what is the okay customer code, mail ID, phone number, this kind of thing, descriptions and etc. That is general data. That is at client level. Next one, company code level, means what is the accounting information. And third one is the sales area level, means sales organization, division, distribution, these kind of things. We use XD01 transaction code for it. We create one vendor and one customer in our system. We shift into the EWM and how those are differentiate with ID types and etc. We can see. First, we are going to ERP environment, decentralized. XK01. Say here, this is the area to create a vendor and etc. We are using a central transaction XK01. Okay. Say here, our is SPCK plant, right? Say here, SPCK VEND. One vendor, I'm giving this one. And company code assigned for our plant is 1000. Purchase organization is 1000. Okay. And please use account group VEND. At account group level, okay, we can use external number range or internal number range kind of things. Say here, SPCK-VEND, I'm going to create it.
Okay.
Hello. Come to here, assume that this is a vendor, we are purchasing from him. Okay, it's a company. Okay, say here, we are giving some name. And search term on concept is there. Say, for example, in the database and etc. Just like say we enter Aadhaar card, automatically all details will come outwards. Like if I use this search term, all the vendor relevant information during the this one searching and etc. it will come. And here some street number and etc. are there. Say street number. Wherever the mandatory are there, you can give. Okay. 112 street 333 like okay. Postal code you can give. City Hyderabad, country IN. Okay, 01 or something you can give. Enter. Say here. Enter. Here, payment transactions or something, just enter. Contact persons, if you require, enter. Say here, create vendor accounting information. Here, please select 31000 in this system. And in real-time projects and etc. Anyway, we cannot have any operation to create vendors. Just for our practicing purpose, one or two vendors, one or two customers we are creating. Okay, don't waste your time on researching. Okay, in this kind of things. Say here, A1. Okay, say here. Here, if you see in the previous and etc. company code level, now this one previous screen also company code level. I have forgotten to show. Come to here, company code level. Say here. Now purchasing data. Here purchasing level came. What is the order currency? Just to give INR. Yes, save it. Okay. One vendor has created for this one. Once again telling sir, don't waste your time to change the account groups and etc. That will not give any value addition for our EWM. Vendor, this one. Customer. We require one customer. X301 transaction code is X301. Say here account group one is there ZAPO. Please select ZAPO. This one ZAPO. Now one customer we can create with the name SPCK-CUST. For our plant we are going to use that. CUST. CUST. And I'm not aware of other account groups, sir. If anyone question me, I don't have answers. Please use ZAPO only. Come to here, 1000, distribution channel 10, 00. Now enter it. Say here, this is also a company. We are selling product to them. Just to enter. Say for example, street. Okay. 55, 33 or something you can give. Go to here, fill all the data. Wherever you can see tick marks, that is mandatory. Just to have a look on all tabs. This is the general data. Next, come to here, company code data. Tick here, recon account. 125000, please use. Okay, here apart from that, nothing is required for us. Next, sales area data. Here, go to shipping. Here, shipping conditions, please select 01. Okay, in billing document to come to here. Here it is expecting tax classification, just zero tax. Zero. Next, here just if you want you can see later in the transaction I will explain this. Save it. Done. Say here that is created this one. Now we see. Okay, just observe. Okay, day before yesterday I shown that SIF application either vendor and customers are material dependent or material independent. That SIF application is divided into two parts.
Dependent.
Material dependent or material independent?
Dependent.
No, sir, material independent.
Undependent.
Yeah, independent, material independent. Why? Because we cannot maintain any control parameters for our material with reference to vendors and customers. Okay, on that day I have told that, okay, material plant batches are the material dependent assets.
Dependent. Okay.
Client, vendors and customers, all three are the independent. I will show you. CEF-M1 first step to create integration models. Model name, this is there, SPCK mode 1, we can use it. Next, VEN and CUST, both customer and etc. we are using. Now see here, material independent objects. Say here, customer. Say here, click on this one. What is your customer? This one. Give this. Here, one checkbox is there. Create location, okay, /BP. What you can do, select BP only. What about the locations and etc.? Say, for example, if we are going to integrate with any other module like transportation management, if we want to build some route between and etc., then, but we are not doing that. Say here, select one. You can select here one. If you forgot this one, okay, it will not store as BP there. Okay, so please see here. Select one. Next one, vendors. Select this one. Here you can give this one. Vendor. One. Now go to here. One vendor and one customer selected. One customer is there. This is selected. One vendor is there. This is selected. Now CF generate integration model. See here. Integration model and application generated against our 110 client, means EWM client. Say here this one. Next, CF-M2. Say your model name, logical system, APO application. Go to here. This is the target system, model name, application. Say here this one. Before and after we can check. I am going to EWM environment. Yes, yes.
Individually also we can
Yes. Come to here, external management. Okay, master data, BP, one transaction is there, business partner. Go to here. Say, for example, if we give vendor, not there. Customer, not there. Not there. 0. Now, say here, I am activating this star. See here, this is not relevant for us, just ignore it. You can see here green symbols. You can see green symbols here. Now go to EWM again. Say this is cap. Now, which one? customer. Okay. If we say this is say here. Now say for example SPCK common slash SPCK both will appear there. First go to customer, double click on it. It is opening the customer. Come to here identification, scroll down, say here CRM 002 ID type for it. That representing R3 means ERP customer with the name this one. From where it is, from where it comes. Say here yesterday, day before yesterday we have seen what is the reference for locations in EWM reference. How the system identify which business system group. Business system group. Now come to here business partner. Say here this is the business partner came from the system, logical system name, responsible institution. There, this is a customer. How you are saying in type?
ID type.
Yeah, this is there. Say here. Now, we go with vendor. Say here. Vendor CRM 004. Okay. Say here. Come to here. This is the business partner came from this logical system. There, that is vendor. Like system. Okay. Both are business partner. Okay. Then how the system is differentiated? ID types. Okay. ID types. We are referring decentralized system. ID types. Okay. Say this one. Now say ERP vendor is going to EWM business partner with ID type CRM 004. Next, ERP customer EWM BP ID type CRM 002. This is the differentiation. Okay, CRM 002 means customer, CRM 004 means vendor master. Okay, both are BPs. Okay, like kind of things. Now, say for example, assume that one case. Already we are using ERP system. Okay, we maintain the same number ranges for someone is the customers and someone is for vendors and etc. Say why? Because account groups and business also different. Assume that. Say 1001 one vendor is there. He is in Chennai. We are purchasing products and etc. Kind of. Same 1001 we are using as for customer as well. Because both are internally divided at table level, transaction levels and etc. Mumbai customer. Okay, that person and this person is not same. Okay, not same. Say now I want to go for the EWM rollout. EWM rollout. How we can manage those kind of things? Say here for this also one standard enhancement is there. Okay, say here one standard enhancement. Sorry, not standard. One enhancement possibility is there. If we go with okay, so a small prefix. Say here for vendor we can use VM. For customer we can use like kind of. Okay, this one. Just during the implementations and etc. Please check with your customers. Any these kind of scenarios are there and etc. Go for this value. Say here, I will show that value. Go to EWM.
Yeah, I mean, sir, both customer and vendor will have the same number range, you mean to say?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay.
Even though they don't have, in future, there is no guarantee. If they create both numbers and etc., it's better to go for enhancement. Nothing wrong, nothing harmful. Okay, come to here. IMG setup. ACM extended warehouse management, ACM basis, integration, bad is for specific applications. Okay, location and business partner. Okay, say here. Here. This is the custom body. Okay, here you can write your own logic. Say here. This is the body. Here, inbound processing for business partner. How you are going to use it and etc. If you can note down here. You create your own and like it. Okay, say here. Like
Sir, one question. What does it mean of body full form?
business adding.
Thank you, sir.
Adding, yeah, enhancement. Okay, this is about the business partners in okay decentralized one. Now coming to the S4 HANA embedded one, there is no XK01, there is no XD01. These transactions are absolute. And
Sir, while this BP has been created, I saw that the one BP role has been created or assigned
just
to that.
ignore decentralized, it is not helpful. Okay, just ignore it. Now that is
Okay.
general. Oh, yeah. Now coming to here, S4 HANA embedded. S4 HANA embedded, we don't have XD01, we don't have XCK01 transactions. Centrally, we create the business partners, different modules. Use those business partners. Say, for example, people, they use vendor masters, business partners, customers. Customers go for the customer masters, business partners, kind of things. Now, coming to here, HANA embedded. Here also 3 levels. Both are BPs, both are business partners, but they are differentiated through BP roles. One concept is they called BP roles. Say here, vendor and customers, both are BPs, means business partners, differentiated through BP roles. We assign the BP roles. Say here, general data. One common role is there for both vendors and customers, whatever it may be. 000000. Business partners. Okay, role. This is the BP role. This is just like Aadhaar card. Okay, in this name is there. Okay, address is there, and say for example, phone number, email IDs, which language, and etc. We can see it. Then there is a one person or one company. Either that person or company is doing purchasing or sales activities and etc. Say here, coming to vendor master, another BP role we need to maintain for it. That is FLVN00. This company code data, we assign additional role. One person is the Ramu. That person is a software engineer. Another role is here. He has own house. Another role is here. Flat owner. Like kind of. Okay. That person is unique. One is there. That person. Another person is there. He is doing business. One role. Okay. He has some building there. Another role. Kind of things. Purchase org level. BP role. FLVN01. This one. Say here. Now coming to customer. For this also we have the BP roles. Same general. 000000. Just now our friend asked, what is BP role? I have shown there. That is not useful. Here this is useful. Come to here BP role. Company code FLCU00. This one. Sales area role. PP role FLCU01. This, okay, say here. Different roles we can assign. Different roles we can assign. There is no ID type concept in HANA embedded. There is no SIF application also in embedded. Okay, now I'm logging off from decentralized, going through HANA. Go to here. XK01, I'm typing here. Enter. Redirecting to transaction BP as transaction XK01 is absolute. That is not available here. Absolute. Now come to here. Either you want to creating as a person or organization or group, whatever it is. Say for example, I have taken a person. Vendor. Say here. This leads to BP transaction. The first we need to select the all 6 zeros. Say here this one. Okay. 6 zeros. Here you need to give name. Here a grouping. Here one BP AB in this system. Okay. This is available to enter the external number BP AB. Now title Mr. Okay. Name is this one. First name, last name. These are there. Search term also you can give. Address. Street number. 456. Okay, 11 or 111, whatever you can give. 51049. Country. Some TG here. Okay, you can use it. Enter. Say red line, gone. Say here I don't require anything. Say identification. There is no ID type concept. There is no ID type concept here. Not required and ID type not. Just have a look on this one. Nothing is mandatory. Now save it. Grouping for number ranges, how you are going to maintain internal or external. That is. Say here. This is created. Business partner is created with role 000000. Means just one person created. We need to tell to the system that he is going to be act as a vendor, either under which company code or else under which purchase organization kind of. Say here. Now go to change mode. Once after creating it, go to change mode. Select FLVN00. Say here. FLVN00. Select this one. Say here. With the change mode, I have given in the book. Okay. Corresponding language EN. Okay. Say here. Just you can. Some views are common. Now select company code here. Here in this system 1010 I have seen. And here some 121140 are there. If not, you can select whatever some entries are there, you can select. Say here. This one. Now save it. Try to save it. Anything in the additional required, it is asked here. Now come to here, go to general data, vendor general data, here external number. That is for internal table references. This is there. Say just I copied here and given. Now save it. This is company code. Changes have been changed. Now again select FLVN01. This is purchasing. Now purchasing role is supplier. Now go to purchasing. Here 1010 is working in this system. Enter it. Okay. Now go to here. Anything is there, just have a look. Go to general data. Say anything you want to use, you can use, or else try to save it. It will ask anything is missed. Nothing is. Okay. This is saved as a business partner vendor. We have assigned first created with this business partner role. Next, we extended to 1010 company code with this role and combination level with this role. Now, customer XD01 is not absoluted here. And please note that EWM consultant cannot create any business partners in S4HANA embedded. For that, separate master data teams or else MMSD, FICO consultants, they coordinate with and maintain views. Okay, different. Say for example, one person create a general, all this one, they use separate some tools to extend the materials and etc. Okay, and say realty MC one tool is there. Just okay, realty MC. I will show in Google once after this. You can go through that, how they can create BPs and etc. Come to here, person or organization. I have selected organization. Say here, XD01 is absolute. Say here, this one, customer. Say organization, company. Come to here. This we can create customer. Select all zeros first. BPAV is accepting. This is a company. We can use this one, search term also. Say you can give address, street number 123, building number 5 or something, whatever. Postal code. Say here area. And say here language EN. Okay, here also no identification and etc. Region 01 not there, so we can use TG. So here, say here identification not required and not influenced anything here. Say, just save it. Created. Now go to change mode. Go to here FLCU00. Company code, financing and accounting. Now go to here, company code level 1010 here. Enter. Recon account. Just this is accepting. Now go to general data, customer general. Okay, here automatically this came, not a problem. Say for example, any business partner acting as a both customer and vendor. Okay, both records separately you can create. You can maintain in the customer master vendor or else vendor master as a customer. Both are there. Okay, save here this one. Save it. Required field payment terms. It is expecting. Payment terms. Save it. Now go to next one. FLCU01. Say here. This is sales and this one. Just go to sales and distribution. Here 1010 working. This one. Anything is required, just to have a look, or else try to save it. Automatically it will give this one. Changes have made means that is Like we can manage our business partners in this one. And some tools are there. One LTMC is there. Go to Google LTMC and SAP. Okay. Data migrations and etc. Just go through some videos also available. How they can say here. LTMC. Okay. What is the LTMC and etc. You can see here. Landscape transformation migration cockpit here. Okay. How they can use and etc. One thing. Difference LTMC. Step by step. Say master data step by step you can see legacy transfer migration cockpit that is called it. Okay. Say here. We need to use this transaction and this master data teams. Okay. It's not a burden of EWM consultant. Okay. They can use it. What are the data they want to migrate? Say for example, this tool only using from say for example any R3 normal ERP to S4 HANA migrations and etc. These tools are using. Okay, say here. This is about the business partners. If we see in a glance,
So when we talk about that, this BP is need to be created by the master team or the MM or SD consultant. So being a MM consultant, so do I need to have the expertise in creating BP as well in it and EWM also?
not EWM. EWM not at all relevant with this master data. Okay.
Okay.
See here. I did not say that that is for warehouse or something anywhere. I have created vendor and customer. I did not give any warehouse or nothing. Okay. That is master.
No, sir. Actually, I have the MM background. Actually, most of the experience I have in MM. So, in future, do I need to work on BP also? Or
And one thing,
only
sir,
EW?
do you want to work as a MM in future or else do you want to work as EWM? Depends on that. We can,
Only.
okay? Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. If you want to work as EWM consultant, just ignore that. If you want to work as MM consultant, okay, improve some knowledge on LTMC or something. Come to
Sure.
here, yeah, vendor. In here also, this is with the BP vendor. ID type CRM 004 in here vendor. But coming to S4 HANA embedded BP roles here 000000 okay, 6 zeros FLVN 00 next FLVN 01 BP roles. Next one, come to here customer. Here for this BP role here FLCU 00 FLCU 01 this one and VF distribution vendor distribution. Here is different. Here direct BP transaction. CU distribution customer. See, direct BP transaction. This is the differences between S4HANA and decentralized in perspective of business partners. Okay, so tomorrow we will have material master, another master data. How both are different in both systems. Okay, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.